The National Weather Service has issued a tropical storm warning.
Tropical storm warning in effect. Watch. Southwest winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 50 knots and seas 8 to 13 feet. Where? Portions of Gulf of America. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from early Tuesday afternoon until early Thursday morning. Impacts. Tropical storm force winds and hazardous seas will capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for hazardous conditions.